Oh, who's that?
Look, Smokey. Smokey.
Can you hold the bubble thing?
Oh, look that one. That's another girl. Right there. That looks like you. Smokey yung pinangalan sa kanya dahil maputi. Paano naman kung ano, usok na maitim? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, nice sweater. Boom, boom, boom. Did you bring your Kwan Loy?
No, because she's
Bubbles?
very lazy. There's still flock over there.
Guys, ato tayo lang Smokey, guys. It's like people know who Smokey is. Let's go to Smokey, guys.
Oh, we should make it like a adventure vlog, like a day one, like 3 days, 5 days.
Oh, what?
Smokey.
Yeah, let's go to Smokey, guys.
You can tell where the wind is going.
Okay. Papakilala ko sa inyo kung sino yung si Smokey. Alright, Smokey, we're coming. Come here. Hi guys, this is Smokey. This is Smokey. Meet Smokey. She was so excited when she sees everyone. Come here.
Yeah. How long?
Yeah, she's excited. Yeah, you can touch her. Smokey. Meet Smokey.
Oh, but can I open this?
Oh, yeah, later. Come here, come here. Come here. Look at her tail. Come here. You thought Chelsea has the food?
Oh, let her water. Use the exchange.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh, you're almost done, huh?
Dada.
Smokey. Smokey. Here. Here. Smokey, come here.
Just you already wants to.
Here.
Yeah, last time she will let you.
Oh, dragging. Wait, Jay, open. Kadaghan na, lisod yung goko na lang.
When we first.
Yan natin yung clip, guys. Nagiging masayang aso na siya ngayon, guys. Oh, di tulad dati, naging ano siya.
She tried breaking out.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
Here, hold the leash.
Excited? Let's go. Oh. Yeah, come here. Jay, kuha-kuhaan, JB. Plastic, Jay. Ah, Smokey. Smokey. Come here. Here. Let her go in the contour. Here. Yeah. Come here. Di alam ni Pierre yung gagawin. Come here. Yan guys, but you know how to pick this one up? Ew! Ew! Ah guys, yan si Smokey guys. Meet Smokey. Kala nyo tao si Smokey? Smokey.
Why'd you call her Smoker?
Smokey.
No, Smokey Beggar.
Happy Smokey. Smokey. Look at that. Smokey. Smokey.
You
Come here.
brought a treat.
Smokey. Here. Smokey.
How Smokey sees life.
Smokey. Here. Look at that! No! Later! 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 It's a prank! Smokey! 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 Come here!
Okay, look.
Smokey.
Smokey! Here. It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank, Smokey! Okay guys, ito yung basura dito sa mga pagtatapon ng mga dumi ng aso. Okay. Yeah guys, tuwan-tuwa din yung mga bata sa aso guys. Yan, lalo na pag mabait yung aso. Nung una, yeah. Is this just our third visit for her? Fourth? I think it's only the third.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, pangatlong visit pa namin sa kanya guys. Ito pala si Smokey guys. Isang chihuahua na 16 years old. Matanda na to guys. Yan, yan may mga ano na dito yo. May mga, alam mo yung mga matandang aso na may extra skin na dito sa ano. Tumutubong mga extra skin.
Eating the metal.
Yeah. Here. Ah! It's a prank! It's a prank! Come here first. If you do good today, I'll give this to you right away. Come here. Come here. Ang may-ari nito yung ano, co-worker ni Mrs. sa hospital. Umuwi kasi siya ng ano, umuwi siya ng Thailand. Umuwi siya ng Thailand for 2 months siyang
1 year in Thailand.
for 2 months siyang nandun sa Thailand kasi namatay yung father niya. Tapos sabay ano na rin, sabay bakasyon na rin. Kasi nandun din yung asawa at ang mga anak niya. So iniwan sa amin tong aso. So ngayon kami ang magdodog sit nito. Ngayon Thursday na. Nung huling bisita namin sa kanya, nung Sunday pa. Pero marami siyang ano doon, marami siyang pagkain na nakastock. Yung klaseng pagkain na nakastock sa kanya doon, yung parang ano lang, pag kinain niya, merong nakastock doon sa taas ng ano niya, lagayan, tapos bababa lang yung kusa yung mga pagkain sa baba para makain naman niya ulit. Ganon din sa tubig, yung water na pinag-iinuman niya. Kaya pag paubos na, baba yung tubig, tapos magre-refill na naman doon sa baba. Yeah. Siguro yung sa mga iba sa inyo dyan, may mga aso, alam niyo. Smokey, come here! What are you sniffing in there? Yeah guys, so nagdo-dog sit lang kami dito kay Smokey. Napaka-cute na aso, isang chihuahua. Smokey, looks like somebody's coming, Smokey, that's bigger than you, Smokey. Awan ko kung nakakaintindi ng English tong aso na guys. May-ari nito, Thailander eh. Smokey!
Smokey, friend.
Wait. Oh, no. Loy, don't let it go there, Loy.
Oh,
Smokey.
shut up.
It's a prank! Mamaya ko na ito bigyan ng treat kabibigay ko lang ng treat dito eh. Dadala lang ako ng treat para susunod-sunod siya sa akin. Oh, come here. Yan, ano na dito ngayon guys, it's 7:58. Yan, medyo ano pa, maliwanag pa, mataas yung araw kasi papuntang summer na nga, di ba? Ang tuwa naman yung mga bata sa pagdodog sit sa kanya kasi gusto nila ng aso din eh. Kaso yung mom nila ay matakotin sa aso. Kaya din wala rin siya dito ngayon. Matakotin sa aso masyado, asong malaki o maliit. Right, Smokey? Smokey, what does a German Shepherd sounds like, Smokey? What does a German Shepherd sound like? we can just like go around there, right? Then go back there.
Oh, Smokey, that's food. Smokey.
Hey.
That's a tree.
It's a prank. Let's go. Come follow me. Smokey, look. Look at me. Here. Smokey. Smokey. Look. Where? Yay! Nice. Good job. Yeah. Sheila, peace. Palagay ko guys, hindi to nakakaintindi ng English guys kasi tina-Thailander to na may-ari niya. Awan ko lang guys actually. I don't know. Hey. Tina-Thailander, ano ba tawag? Sa, what do you call the Thai's language? Thai? Just Thai? Or French? Ayun, basa na eh. Smokey, you're gonna be my content for today, Smokey. You'll be the main character of my video today.
I think that's called
Protagonist, yeah. That's also the right word.
here's the antagonist.
Here, come here. Come.
It's funny at 0.5 because you can see her
Yeah.
nose.
Round face.
Yeah. Wait, Soki, look,
Smokey, what's this?
I did it on Bruno.
Oh, who's that?
Look, Smokey, Smokey.
Can you hold the bubble thing?
Oh, look that one. That's another girl. Right there. That looks like you.
Look, Smokey, let's go this way.
She just ignored it. She's like, I don't care. I'm already old. Yeah, si Smokey guys, ayan na to. 16 years old. 16 years old na aso, babae. Smokey kasi daw Smokey yung pinangalan sa kanya dahil maputi. Paano naman kung ano, usok na maitim. Whoa. 16 years old, ano ba yan sa age ng isang tao? Times 7, 112. We'll see you in TV later, Smokey.
Wait, what if we watch your channel and their TV?
Yeah, if I will have a dog, I will have a channel of that. I will make a channel of that dog.
And it's
Wait,
like,
does
who
it
is
be
that dog? Are you breaking up with me?
Whoa.
Virginia! Doesn't Pino and Chocolate have a dog?
No.
I thought he
Oh,
did.
look at that. You can see the soccer field. It's another dog right there. Yeah guys, andito pala kami sa High Point today. So, ano, mga 30 minutes galing doon sa amin sa Winston-Salem. Kaya ibang town naman to, sa High Point. She's like, no, you're always pranking me. Here, Smokey.
Smokey!
Yeah, parang gusto na rin niya yung mga bata guys. Oh.
I'm scared of a dog we met a week ago. Look. He's gonna
Tree!
Smokey!
On the tree.
Loy! Smokey!
Tree!
Treat, treat, treat!
Ooh, don't bite me, don't bite me. She's opening her mouth.
Treat, treat, treat! Here!
It's working.
Come here.
You guys get out of the camera. Look,
Smokey!
They're trying to convince me. Look, let's go.
Oh, dala ka, Loy. Why?
what?
Why you always go the other way?
Look.
Dada, just try to take camera. A picture of her and There's soccer game going on?
Come here. Look. Yeah, she's working now. Okay.
Okay, cheese.
Wait, just Pierre, sit down.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, lock it. Lock it.
It is like
It's locked.
that he could have gotten the picture.
Here. Come here. Smokey.
Look, Smokey.
Smokey.
Look.
Smokey. Look at you. Come here. Yeah. Smokey.
That was good to know.
Smokey.
Oh, no, that's good. Just like video it.
Oh. Oh. Whoa.
trick.
That was not supposed to be like that, Smokey.
Oh, now it's on the ground.
Hi. You tricked me, Smokey.
You got your prank back, Karma.
Oh, that was a prank, Karma.
Wait, Daddy, you tried a karma thing? Or
No.
I was trying to prank her just to take a picture. I like pissing off dogs.
Yeah.
I see orange t-shirts running around.
Oh, this one, cause it smells like it smells like her treat.
Oh, yeah.
Ah! She's trying to bite my finger.
That is treating
Smoky like
I see orange t-shirts running around.
Let her come. Let her come. Let her come.
Dad, I want
Let her come. Hey, come here, Smokey. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come to Daddy.
Ooh, Dada.
Come to Daddy.
Call her, Dada. Her ear.
Let's go. Come here. Yeah guys, ano na? 8:10 p.m. So, yeah, dumidilim na guys. Oh. Pero maganda yung sunset dito guys pag maganda yung ano no, yung panahon. Yeah, pretty much every day ganito guys, yung ano dito, panahon. Yeah, kanina umabot ng 31 degrees Celsius kaninang hapon. Yeah, mainit.
Mandinga, kikiriu, mandinga. Kikiriu, mandinga, kikiriu, mandinga. Kikiriu, mandinga, kikiriu, mandinga. Ay, mama, qué buena está la mandinga.
Ano ba, Smokey? Ganda ni
Ay,
Sunday.
mama, qué buena está la mandinga.
Okay, so hanggang dito na lang guys kasi ano uwi na rin kami. Ano na, it's 8:17. Yeah, medyo late kami nakapunta dito guys kasi ano, late na kaming nakapag-decide na pumunta dito. Kasi dapat meron tong soccer si TJ kanina, hindi lang natuloy. Alright guys, so until here, you still up for playing, Smokey? Yeah, until here guys, next time. Is it locked? Okay guys, so until next time, salamat sa panonood. See you in the next videos. You wanna say bye-bye to everyone, Smokey? Come here. Smokey, come here. Everyone, bye-bye. I'm Smokey, the kitty, doggy. Smokey, say bye-bye.